up? It's Noelle. Welcome back to my channel. So, if you guys can't tell, let me go outside. Wait. Can you guys tell from here? I don't know if you can tell from outside, but eventually I'll show you some palm trees. I am in Hawaii, so very exciting. Let me just start with an Airbnb tour. So, might as well just show you this outside right here. Sliding door. Oh, locked. How do I unlock this? Whatever. Okay, grill, outdoor seating.
Dude, come on, hold on.
Chairs.
Here, it's open.
Oh.
No, it's not live, I'm sorry.
Yeah, okay.
Oh,
oh it's easy, huh?
Hold on.
Easy, huh? Okay. So yeah, there's this really nice outdoor seating. Grill. You can see the mountains over there. And then it's just like a little resort villa. Got this little grassy area. A lot of outdoor seating. My mom is trying to take pictures of something. These doors fully go open if we want. Ow. Careful.
What?
I just tripped on the thing.
Okay.
This is the living room. There's a TV. Really nice setup.
They have lights that come around the rim of this thing. It looks really cool at nighttime.
The fan.
The same in the kitchen. There's trim lighting around. You can probably show them later.
Yeah, I can show you guys later, but the couch is super cute, super comfortable, good amount of seating. This, I just noticed, actually matches this table over here. Doing a little bit of homework. Nice door. Nice little setup here. And then this is the master suite over here. So, yeah, the bed, super comfortable, pretty standard. The bathroom, though, is on another level. Whoa, what did I just turn on? Got the tub here, double sinks, a huge closet, which our suitcases are just chilling. Suitcases, the light's a little weird. Suitcases, a little vanity, I don't really know. Toilet closet, very nice shower. Let me turn off the lights. So that's the master. We go back in the living room. Kitchen is really nice, got bar stools, very big, a lot of counter space. This actually, that blue chair goes here, but this is like a workspace. I have to do homework, so might be working here or just at the table. These are the lights Justin was talking about. Then we got a bathroom here, which is just a bathroom, laundry, I guess a little compass situation going on. Ow. This is my mom's room. It's a queen size bed, another TV, closet, and then this leads out to another outdoor seating area. Cute paintings. Can I come in your room or are y'all changing? Okay, so this is the last room. It has a bathroom and shower. You got a closet here, and then it has two twin beds, and these actually can combine into a king bed if they want with like a gel topper, but they just kept it separate. And the TV, and then this leads to the same outside space. And then there is a garage with a bunch of bikes, snorkeling gear, beach gear, honestly whatever we need. So this is very nice. It's part of a community. There's a grocery store in the community, there's a private beach, there's a pool, there's a gym. So we really lucked out with this spot. I love it. There are 5 of us staying here, and yeah, so that's a tour of the Airbnb. Obviously I'll bring you guys along for some other things that we get into. This might be vlog number 1 of 2. I don't know how many videos I'm gonna split it up to, but I just wanted to film this to have the memories because it is the first time for three of the people here. First time in Hawaii, and then it's all of our first times for the Big Island. So I'm very excited to be here, very grateful to be here, and I will see you kind of whenever I see you next. At the beach. Private beach. Just random clips. This is the current view. Just went out snorkeling over there. Saw some fishies. Okay, another video on my phone, but this is the car. It's very long. Very hard to drive. Well, park, not drive. And then this is kind of the little community. Little community. Very cute. We made it to Volcano Park. It's very windy, not very windy. A little bit of rain, a little bit of sun, a little bit of wind. That's the welcome center over there. And then I think we go over there, that road right there. We basically drive to a location, hike, go look at it, and then drive to the next one. So I will show you guys a little bit of this park. Steam vents.
Does it say anything about it in your book?
It's a big crater. Very windy. Got some steam vents over there. Oh my gosh. Oh, dang it. So this is a crater, and there's actually lava, I'm pretty sure, at the bottom. A lava lake at the bottom, but it's so deep you can't see it. The lady said it's like slowly coming up, but it just depends on the day. But this is all huge crater. Here's sulfur, very hazardous volcanic fume. The yellow stuff is the sulfur. Not supposed to breathe it in for that long. Yet here we are on this trail. There's a lot of greenery around here. I hope y'all can hear me because sometimes it gets really windy. But they have this beautiful trail here. You see some steam vents over there. Looks pretty magical here, honestly. Guys, it smells so bad here. It's like windy, misty, humid, sunny, all the weather in one place. Highly recommend wearing layers. Oh, you probably can't hear me. But highly recommend wearing layers if you're coming here. Rain jacket, leggings, and all the sorts. Looks like another crater.
I think
right?
Two. Yeah, this might be the second one.
Also, it's sunny again. Sunshine in the city. This is where we are. Not even gonna attempt to pronounce that. Let's go on the hike.
That's the sun.
Yeah, that's why Alicia went like that. Here we go. What is this? A lava tube trail. What I've been told, so dark. I've been told that lava basically created some tube tunnel situation that we can walk under. So that is what we're doing. But look at this view, guys. So beautiful. Crater, all this green, luscious forest. sun is out. I think I already said that. There's like 2 trails. One is a longer one, so we're on the first stop of the longer driving trail. We're gonna be here all day. We want to see the stars at night, but now this is where the view is at. Right here, this overlook is awesome. Wow.
Way better.
I always just stop here and I get in the car and I drive back the rest of the way, and I'm like, huh. I didn't know there was it actually cheating off you there.
Oh, this is very steep. Steep and slippery.
Yeah,
Woo! All right. We are in the jungle, rainforest. All the greenery. Anything to say to the vlog, baby?
Hawaii's pretty cool.
Come to Hawaii. Check out the big island. A lot more rural. And I feel like you just get the Hawaii Aloha. What is it? The spirit of Aloha. Here's the tube. Alright. There's a lot of people here just
She was sliding in.
just sliding in.
Sliding in.
Very slippery on this thing here. Look over.
Now we're all just on
Whoa.
the phone.
Wow. It's beautiful. This little cave. This is cool. So lava made this. A lot warmer here down by the ocean on the bottom of the volcano. You probably can't hear anything I'm saying, but I'm recording this because it's pretty cool climbing some rocks. Look how far we were up there at some point. This is the map of the volcano park, and we started all the way down there. And now we're here at the polygraphs. Oh, petroglyphs. Oops. Petroglyphs. And as you guys kind of saw, the hike was very rocky, so I had to turn back because it's very hot down here. So, like I said earlier, if you're coming here, make sure you wear layers. It's every temperature, climate change possible is in this park. And also I think I'm getting like sunburn too. So, yeah, we're kind of at the bottom of the volcano, and now I'm sweating, hot, getting a little dehydrated, but doing well. We'll just wait for Alicia and Ashley. Thanks, babe. We're just waiting for Alicia and Ashley to get back from seeing the petroglyphs, and I guess hopefully they'll take pictures so we can see it, but just cooling off in the car right now. It's been a long day. We've been here for what time did we get here? 11.
Early.
Yeah, we got here at 11. It's now 4 p.m.
I'm just gonna get
12, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, so we've been here 5 hours. We're all kind of ready to just go back, eat, sit down, go to the bathroom. But I mean, it's been such a cool experience. Everything we've seen has been really awesome, and it's like nowhere else you would see any of this. So I highly suggest it, but also just be prepared for the different terrains, rainforest, rocks, sun, cold, rain, all that stuff. So hopefully we will make it to, I want to see the sea arch at the very end, so we're gonna drive there. I'm hoping you just drive, you see it, and then you gotta drive all the way back up. Look at this, how pretty that is. So we gotta drive all the way back up to the top of that, which is kind of crazy, but it's so beautiful. We found the last destination, the arch. What is it called? The ever-changing coastline. Stages of sea arch formation. Yeah, there's different stages, but there's an arch right there, y'all. Hey guys, so I'm currently editing this vlog right now. I'm just about finished, but I just wanted to film an outro for it because I didn't film one for this video. I just want to say some tips for the volcano park on the Big Island. Wear layers, wear sunscreen even if it is raining, because you'll get to a sunny part and then your face will be burnt if you don't have any sunscreen like me. Bring a raincoat, wear pants even though you might think it's hot, bring snacks. They do have bathrooms there, so that's nice. You can choose a 2 to 3 hour tour they have planned for you, or a 5 to 6 hour. They do have a really nice like starry night type of thing, and then also you can see the lava glow sometimes at night if it's clear enough, but just be prepared. When you go up there, you can have rain, sun, wind, heat, humidity, all types of things, so just be prepared. Also, don't really trust the weather app. The lady said you kind of have to just be there, and Pele will kind of decide what weather she brings. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notification, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!